Mad at my nigga, mad at the fact he ain't with you, mad at the fact that it's me. This shit bigger.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my face, hello, I'm Jalen, and for today's video we are gonna be for Valentine's, y'all. Valentine's is coming. Where's your boyfriend? You are sitting at home lonely. Sorry y'all, my mom called me, but I'm getting ready for Valentine's. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I know I'm gonna do my lashes with y'all and I want to do makeup with y'all, but yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog off and let y'all know I did get asked. They did buy me some beautiful flowers and they made me a poster and got me a bear that was really cute. So surprise, surprise, I have a Valentine. But yeah, y'all, see ya tomorrow. Okay guys, so my friend told me to stay in the car with my eyes closed and my head down. Huh? My eyes are closed. Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Okay.
I got him right now.
Maybe we should come back and get him.
I got him right now.
Oh gosh. So excited. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Beautiful, majestic girls all over the world. Get off of me. Alright. Guys, here's my flowers in my beautiful room and decorations. Yay!
It just needs to know.
Okay. This is cute for my hair. Love these for my wrist. Makeup remover towel. Ooh. Yep, don't know how to use these though. Period. Makeup brush. Period. Makeup brush. Period. Skims. Wait a second. Skims on you hoes.
Hold on. Let's zoom in on that. Period. Okay.
Period. Should I take a picture?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, so first. Oh, Sephora! Love Sephora. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Bath and Body Works. Good stuff right there, boy. I tell you. Prada. Period. No, this is not Prada. This is Valentino.
Period.
That's the sample.
I can't smell it through the paper. Pretty sure it smells good though. Period. Y'all, this is Friday. Y'all been wanting this hairfield for about 2 years. Hey, Michael Jackson. Hey. Period. This is all I needed right there. Period. Lotion. Smells good. It's nice. A little masculine scent. Good candle. Ooh, this smells good. Do you think it's in here? Don't think so.
There's stuff under the papers in both bags.
Oh.
Like lift the
okay.
body works up.
What's these? Some more forever flowers? Whoa, there's stuff in here. What the heck are you doing in here? Skittle. Whittle. Skittle. Love Skittles. Oh. Skittles. Love these. Oh, y'all. Take these down to the ground. Clock it. Trolleys. Trilly, really, really. Wait, is the lighting good? Heart.
It's because you're listening to.
Chocolate. Oh, more Sour Patches. Hey! 30-pack Sour Patches. Yay! What's this? Nothing? Okay. 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 Okay, we go Skims. We go Skims for Valentine's Day. We go Skims.
It's giving matching skin.
Woo! Ooh, this is tea. Tea. Shout out to him. Thank you. Ooh. Every time she come in, she got a kiss.
Yeah, pull your pants up.
Tank top. Skims. Cute. Thank you. Okay. So guys, another Skims package. Ooh, bubblegum pink. We go bubblegum pink.
Who's this? Oh, this show.
These are huge.
Oh, this is cute.
Long size.
Much tropical.
You want me to press one? Okay, period.
I gotta look.
Thought that counts. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, okay. What is that? Thank you.
Yeah, what is that?
What?
Why would my son I gave you being here? You got your Valentine's Day gift from me.
Period.
She's outside. Okay.
Period. Guys, this is the finished pony.
Hair is done.
Here.
Period.
Give me right. Give me right.
Period. Yeah. Valentine's is coming. Where's your boyfriend? What? You're sitting at home.
Heart. Do they see the heart?
Yeah,
it's the heart.
Get it to the heart. Get it to the heart, baby. Get it to the look. Book the look.
Thank you. Okay, guys, I just got out the shower. I am about to do my lashes and makeup, and then I'm putting on my outfit on last because I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Okay, guys, I have on my shirt, my anklet that he asked me to wear. I'll zoom into the necklaces, the rings, not the earrings because I wanted my own earrings. These are the, okay guys, I'm gonna wear this necklace, but because I'm in a rush, I don't have time to put it on. This is my outfit. Yeah, I have on this really pretty anklet. My toes are not done. This is the fit. Now, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about my face. These are the accessories I need to do my makeup quickly and my lashes quickly. Telling me that whole time it wasn't recording. I basically just added makeup. Oop. So that whole time it was not recording. I just added makeup and hecka blush. I added this and then I blended out my concealer. Now I'm about to use this stuff, which is bronzer, I think. I do feel like I look a little ghosty, so I'm gonna add some more, hopefully, darkness to me. Now, once again, I'm not a professional. I'm not even a semi-professional. I don't even know what I'm doing. But there's not enough time for me to start over. So, I just have to do to the best of my ability. Let me look at myself. What do we think? Am I being over dramatic? Y'all, because I'm really finna wash this whole face over. I'm finna wash my whole face. Let me call my friend and see. Okay, y'all, I washed my face. We're just with the bare face right now because I did not like my makeup. It looked weird and I don't like looking weird. Let's do this. That's a little bit of makeup. Maybe that's what it is.
It is. That is what it is. That matches but it matches your body though. But I feel like you think it looks weird because it matches your body and it doesn't match your face.
Y'all, she clocking my
It's
teeth.
supposed to.
Okay, y'all, I'm trying to record for y'all. But I'm running a little late. Gotta restart. That's what it always do. Boom, boom, boom. Pretty much ready. I'm pretty much ready. Whoa. I don't know if it's the bathroom or what, but when I'm out here, I look weird. But when I'm in the bathroom, I look good. Stressed! I'm stressed! I might just be dramatic. Okay, I might just be being dramatic. Okay, I might just be dramatic. I don't like what's fresh. I don't do good with trash. Oh, gosh. I'm stressed. Where's my lip cleaner? Chat, he's here. He's here, chat. I did not do my lashes. Want to do my lashes. Makeup did not turn out how I want to. Wanted makeup to turn out how I wanted to. Oh my gosh. I did not get my eyebrows done. What did I do? What did I do? Literally nothing. I don't even have time to do mascara. Oh gosh, guys. I didn't make any TikToks. And you might be thinking, you could do this in the car. The thing is, I can't though. Okay guys, we have arrived to our place. I almost fell back in my chair. Okay guys, we are at the restaurant. We are at 𝐂𝐬𝐍𝐄𝐬𝐬. Period. I love 𝐂𝐬𝐍𝐄𝐬𝐬. He thought I never been in 𝐂𝐬𝐍𝐄𝐬𝐬, but I do have been in 𝐂𝐬𝐍𝐄𝐬𝐬, and I do like 𝐂𝐬𝐍𝐄𝐬𝐬. So good choice, great choice. I like when they cook in front of me and they do the choo choo and the lava. And yeah, he just got, what shrimp did you get? He just got some dynamite shrimp. I know what I'm gonna get. It's what I get all the time. Hello? So I'm gonna record us eating and stuff. I think this is gonna be very, very cute. And yeah, what are you gonna get? Hibachi chicken and shrimp. I think I'm gonna get the maybe hibachi steak. I usually get the hibachi chicken, or maybe I get chicken and shrimp, or straight shrimp and steak. By then, I'm just do the steak. Oh yeah, I cannot stop touching my pony. Look at my hair. Okay guys, we got our drinks and we got our soups. And yeah, that's when I'll wait for him, so I'm gonna wait for him and then I'm gonna try it and let y'all know if it's good or not. Okay guys, we got our salad. I'm gonna try. I've never tried this dressing before.
I told y'all he was my hero.
Tastes like peanut butter. Don't like it.
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feeling when the cards come true. I swear I'll be a piece of you.
The shrimp. Cheap. That shrimp is good, baby.
And that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30.
Okay, zoom in, zoom in. Zion is a lot of food. So guys, our food is done. This is nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Pleasure, guys. Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna eat my salmon. I mean my food. I just want to pour it on a little section.
How long ago was that? 35 years old now, man. Like about 15 years.
Good. Hi guys. We finished eating and we are currently on the way to our next destination. We did have a little hiccup, but that's okay. I'm having fun. You got the heat on, so I'm chilling. I'm full. I'm chilling. Make my TikToks. I'm chilling. So I'll see you guys at my next destination. Bye guys. Well, we have a lucky guest.
We always end up back together again.
Always. Okay, but now we're at Topgolf and we're about to figure out what game to play, so come on. Here. And I never played this before. Woo! We're at Topgolf.
First, have y'all been to a Topgolf before?
Yes.
So I'll save y'all time for that. What are y'all drinking?
Alright. Let's see. No, that's vibration. That's all I was just doing. Vibration. Figure out vibration. Alright.
You gotta do the practice swing so you actually hit it, friend. Practice.
That is this one.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
There we go.
Hello. Hello.
Like, I'm on.
That didn't even count.
Hold up. It's the jacket.
Come on.
Okay guys, we're having fun at Topgolf. I'm winning right now. I currently got 40. I got 72 points. And these heaters feel amazing. Hey guys, we have finished playing golf. My partner won the game. Sorry, I'm not his girlfriend.
But I was in second place.
Yeah, my Valentine, he won the game. And yeah, now we're about to go home and leave. It is almost midnight, y'all.
Oh,
so yeah,
let's talk about how.
thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please comment down below. And peace till out. Bye. Love you guys. Oh, don't forget to follow my Instagram at TheLifeJalen. And book my friend. Yeah, book my friend.